Clifford is funded in part by a ready-to-learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
Kix thanks you for joining us for another healthy serving of good things to grow on. Clifford on PBS, where the fun of learning is kid-tested, mother-approved.
All kinds of wonderful things happen when you play together. That's why we believe in and proudly support PBS Kids TV. Candyland, one of the My First games from Milton Bradley.
Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids, helping children discover the fun of developing their bodies and their minds. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
There's lots of fun in store, so stick around for more here on WETA Kids.
Oh, use your imagination, make all your dreams come true. Use your imagination, that's just the picture. Believe it, you can see it if it's raining. You can make the sky blue. Use your imagination, make all your dreams come true.
I'm always there for my friends.
I don't necessarily think that being a good friend is being with them all the time.
A good friend always helps you.
Well, I think I'm a good friend because I don't cheat and I play fair and I listen to others' opinions.
You're watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington.
Coming up next on Dragon Tales.
It's my Jugglebug performing stage. All it needs now is a Jugglebug.
Like that one!
Now look what you've done! He's gone!
Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, where they know that the fun of playing and learning together is more than just good. It's great!
This program is funded in part by a Ready-to-Learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.